Hey, what are you doing? Those are my parts. What are you doing? You ruined the parts. You ruined my tools. Hey, what are you doing? Look at those babies. Look at those babies. Hey. It's enough. These are my mechanic helpers, guys. Look at that. Tearing up my bag. Look at that. Look at that. Boy, what help do I have, guys? Look at that. I mean, where else could I be without helpers like that? Look at that. Back at the Lincoln, guys. Just wanted to show you real quick. Put new spark plugs on it. I don't know. Somebody put auto lights on it. Oh no, yeah, auto lights right there. Yeah, see, somebody put auto lights on it. So I am putting what goes on there. Already got them in there. We look in there. They're already in there. Brand new Motorcraft. See that? Brand new Motorcraft. Why? Because it calls for ASF 52s. This is ASF 52 CA for California. Of course, because California always has everything different. All right, guys. We'll go ahead and finish up. Keep going on this. Obviously, I'm not that close to being done, but nonetheless, got to get there. All right, guys. See you in a bit.